Hi guys, welcome back. Today we celebrate day 1 of Navratri. This festival is celebrated to worship goddess Durga, who symbolizes power and purity. Most people avoid grains such as wheat and rice for these 9 days. However, there is a range of items that can be eaten. Today's recipe is Sabudana Khichdi. I'm sharing important tips for a non-sticky khichdi which is easy to make and delicious to eat. So come, let's hit the recipe. Sabudana Khichdi tastes good even with some curd and green chutney. Try out this recipe with the tips I've shared and enjoy the festivities. Signing off now. See you in the next video. Let's meal.